This is Alan Eccles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Phoenix, Arizona at Magna Industries, where for over 35 years they have been committed to taking all of their experience and traditional values in manufacturing bakery equipment and combining them with new technology to build better products. Magna Industries specializes in designing custom equipment that transforms concepts into solutions. Their production facility includes a fully equipped machine shop, a sheet metal shop, and robotic welding shop, capable of delivering the perfect solutions for your custom needs. Magna Industries can put your ideas into a design and manufacture a complete solution for any food service or bakery operation. Over the years, they have designed simple to complex bakery equipment for retail, wholesale, and large production food service and bakery operations. They also saw the need for a market of qualified commercial kitchen installers in the state of Arizona. Magna's subsidiary, Lindale Stainless, began to expand their product lines to include stainless steel furniture used in clean room environments by the semiconductor, medical, and pharmaceutical industries. Lindale soon gained a reputation as one of the leading fabricators of custom stainless steel clean room furniture in the industry. After establishing themselves as a leading custom manufacturer, Lindale now fabricates custom equipment for commercial kitchens, bakeries, clean rooms, pharmaceutical industry, health industry, chemical industry, and architectural applications. Today, the two organizations supply the needs across the United States and have expanded internationally. Join a winning combination and come visit both locations at magnaindustries.com and lindale.com. This is Alan Eccles for Manufacturing Marvels.